there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christie's Lead Services, a small business in Abington. It's just me. I came across your company and thought I'd shoot you this screencast video and show you how you're doing online and how things work and how to get some more traffic. If at the end of the video you're interested in learning anything more about Christie's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to talk about content and keywords on your front page first. So your home page is the most powerful. You have a nice logo there. So generally Google likes to see, and you also have some abouts and contacts, which is good. It's always good to know how to get in touch with the company. Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content on the front page. And within those 1,500 words of content, I put about a dozen highly searched keyword phrases. Things like tree removal, Bucks County, tree services, Bucks County, wherever it is you want to be found, and however the most popular way is that people are searching for that. Even the way you save your images counts as content, so saving them in those highly searched keyword phrases helps make you more relatable, and then you can pop up for more services on Google and be found a lot more. So I'm going to go over the map pack and citations now. I did a Google search for tree service, Bucks County, PA. I could have done tree removal. There's lots of different ways people search for the same thing on Google, and one way to optimize your website is to appear first for those most popular search terms. So you have your ads here, and then you have your map pack, which is right here. This is a really good place to be because it's so visible. On mobile phones, it's a click to call. Even on laptops, you have your website, and you're taking up 5 lines on Google. So in order to get into this map pack, you have to file for a Google Business Profile, a GBP. Once your business is verified, then you just have to have a lot of citations to get you to the top here. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Yelp, Angie's, and Yellow Pages. The more you're out there, the more Google trusts you, and the quicker you'll rank in the map pack. Statistically speaking, if you are a top spot in the map pack and the top business organically underneath it, then you get about 70% of the search volume, give or take, to this page, which is a decent amount because you got to figure that 30% is being shared by everyone else. In order to get to this top spot here organically, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about trees and someone mentions your company's website. That's the backlink. And the blog is the referring domain. So here's a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. It gives me insight into any website. This is your trust and power score. So they're not showing up right now, but this could be a little off. Your backlinks, your domains. So pumping them up would give you more keywords and traffic that you're ranking for. And I just want to show you a competitor and show you some of the keywords. This company was top spot organically, their trust and power, their backlinks, their domains, their keywords, and organic traffic. I want to show you some of those keywords that you could put in your content so you can see all the search volume. Okay. All right, so let's see here. We have the company's name. Here's a really good high buyer intent keyword, tree service in Bucks County. Someone wants that service and lives here, and it has 50 searches a month. The difficulty is 10. This does go all the way to 100, and the difficulty measures how long it would take to rank and how much money it would cost with backlinks. Tree service Levittown, that's another good one, 50 searches a month. Tree service in Bucks County, 30 searches a month. Tree removal Bucks County, 20 searches a month. Bucks County tree service, 10 searches a month. Firewood for sale, 20 searches a month. Tree services in PA, that's a little broad. I personally want to go for that one. Tree service Langhorne, PA, 20 searches a month. Those searches add up for sure. And there are a bunch more. Tree service Montgomery County, tree removal, that do have significant search volume. So you can get those words into your content and then start just getting some more visibility on Google. So I hope the video was insightful and helpful. Again, if you'd like to learn anything more, my door is always open, and I'd love to have a short 10-minute conversation to see if we're a good fit. I do work within budgets and tailor plans individually for businesses. And if not, if the timing's not right, I do understand. I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.